for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabby Arquez. I hope you're all doing well. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Ashimary. You guys know I love them. Today's wig is a 2-in-1 wig. That means you can wear this wig straight and you can also wear her curly. Also a 360 ponytail wig. You can do updos, ponytails. Let that sink in.
Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo. Be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
This is what she's looking like fresh out of the box. Yes, you can wear her both ways. The hair is very silky. We're gonna remove the little tapes that it comes with and secure her down. And that should be enough to just secure the perimeter down. Okay, this is all we do. We pull the sticky tape, position the wig right there, pressing it in. That's it. And we repeat that for this side. Pressing it in. And there we have it. We've secured our wig. It's looking so good. Oh, so good, so good, so good. She is glueless. Okay. So the next step that I want to do is test out and see, can she really get wet? And is it really going to curl up? If this wig can truly be a 2-in-1 wig, this is going to be perfect for the summer. Who's got time to buy 2 wigs when you can just buy one? For that, we should need some water. I think I want to spray this side down. That, you guys, just before our very eyes, the hair started to curl up and it looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys seeing this? That's what it's looking like. Oh, she's looking so good. And I'm just scrunching it because I want to activate those curls. Okay, so scrunching.
Before you try being on your own side for once.
Beautiful.
Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it.
Now we're gonna spray the other side down and see what she's looking like fully curly. I love how fast it takes to activate. You just spray it on and it'll literally start curling before you're even finished wetting the entire head down. Just reminds me of like back in the day. We used to braid wet and wavy hair. If you had money, you would get the extensions with the wet and wavy ends. It's kind of like what they're doing now, like with the boho pieces, but we was doing that back in the day. Okay, and then, yeah, make sure it's all saturated and at the back. See how it's starting to curl up like that?
Before you try being on your own side for once. But sometimes.
So now both sides are done. We're gonna let this side dry and match this side, and then we're gonna come back once this side is dry and show you the final result.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one
This is what the wig looks like when it's fully curled and fully dried. Isn't it beautiful? This texture, guys, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love it. So fluffy, so soft, and so full. I was not expecting the density to be this full after it dried. I thought maybe it would be on the more thin side, but girl, she is full. I did fluff her out a little bit, but this is what she's looking like. Look at that. Like, is that not my hair? That is my hair. And then tuck that string inside. Now we can actually put the hair up. Yes, we can put the hair up in a little ponytail. The little half up, half down.
Take me to your heart.
Now we have our little ponytail, our little half up. This is how we transition that to gather all of the rest. Okay, I'm gonna grab a bigger elastic band, and now I'm going to tilt my head forward. Okay, and then okay, combine the two ponytails. Right, I personally like a little messy bun moment. So this is what we have, guys. What do you think? Okay, and this is what the back looks like. I like to pick the hair just a little bit along the hairline so it looks super natural. Alright guys, that is all for today's install and review. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you're interested in trying out this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. Don't forget to check that out before you go. I'll catch you guys later in another video sometime soon.